Welcome to my Oneforma review. Can you make money here on this website? Is this website legit or fake? But first of all, if you want to get my number one recommendation to make money online, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I will send you my number one recommendation to make money from home. Now let's talk about Oneforma. Oneforma, this is a website that they claim that you can make money by doing some tasks. This is a freelance website. You'll be doing some task here online, and then they claim that you're gonna make money. So we're gonna look some of the reviews on Trustpilot and also what people are actually saying about this website. So this website said that Oneforma, how it works: you work on a schedule whenever it's the most coefficient, has a member of Oneforma community. Oneforma helps you earn money at the same time while you're helping businesses collect, analyze, translate, and connect to people. So let me just talk some of the tasks that you'll be doing here. You can also do translations. Maybe you can also translate content to English, into France, maybe into Chinese language. So there's so many translation work that you can do here. And also you can also write content here. If you're a freelancer that is writing content, you can also do those things, guys. Okay, but to be honest, I saw some of the reviews that people are just saying negative things about this website. So I don't think that it is a good way to make money online, okay, to doing some tasks here on this website. So I'm gonna show you some of the reviews about what people are actually saying after working here on this website. So people, they claiming that they never get paid after they finish the work. So I wouldn't even recommend you guys to try to apply here, because you have to apply here in order to join, and now you have to apply to some of these jobs. So it's gonna be a waste of time, so I won't able to. So if you click here the jobs, as you can see that these are the jobs that you can do. Some of them such as freelancer. You can also work remote, guys. Okay, you can also post jobs here. You can also do some data collections on this website. Says discover jobs that fit your skill, background, and interest. Want to use your language, research, and technology skills to earn extra income and get certificate in tech. So especially you can also do in tech, maybe in IT. If you're good in IT, you can also apply here and get jobs. But my recommendation: do not apply. You're not gonna get paid here. This website, it is a scam. I will show you guys. Just keep watching some of the reviews about what actually people have been saying about this website after they joining. So we're gonna see all of those things. So you can also, if you are designing some apps, you can also design some apps here on this website. They claim that you're gonna get paid for doing that. If you know how to design some apps, you can do all of those things here. Yeah, guys. So to be honest, do not apply here on this kind of website. I think, but if you want to be a freelancer, just go to upwork.com, or go to fiverr.com. Those are the high paying freelance websites that I do know that they are legit. They can pay you, especially Upwork, especially Upwork. But this is not the best website to do some freelance. If you want to make money doing freelance online, go to upwork.com and also create your own free account there. Then you're gonna apply to jobs, people that are gonna pay you for your skill, for your time, not here on these kind of jobs. Let's go to the Trustpilot, guys, and let's see what actually people have been saying about this. You can see that this is a bad, guys. Okay, Trustpilot, this verify this company is a bad company. Okay, let's look at some of these reviews about what people are actually saying about this company after they are working with this company. As you can see that 1.5 out of 5 it's a bad company. It's a bad reviews for this kind of freelancer company. It is not worth it. It is not worth your time. People are living bad things about this, and they have a bad experience. So I wouldn't even recommend you guys to even create your own account here. Just run away. Just go to Fiverr or Upwork. Okay, let's read some of these reviews and actually what does people are saying about this. This person says, I have used them on several occasions in the past, but nowadays it's not worth it anymore. Even if you are accepted for a project, they are not transparent about it. I was working on several tasks, but hits disappeared after a couple of days. They couldn't be depleted in such a short time. Since it was a translation task with a rare language combination, less than 100 hits will be duplicated per day. So I am guessing the project is on hold or got to cancel. I don't think it was banned, because it says that all the hits have been leased out, not authorized to work in the hit back. So actually people, they're leaving some bad things about this. They say that okay, it's not worth it anymore. It was good in the past, but now it is not worth it, so people actually don't like it about it. So guys, yeah, these are the real people from Trustpilot. This review was made last month on June 17, that people, they are complaining that it is not worth it anymore. So guys, I wouldn't even recommend, and not to mention the correction are done by reviews who do not seem to have native language skills in the target language, as they are full of errors. Even after I disagreed with the so-called corrections, they have been pending for over 1 month. Okay, so they are claiming that okay, the English is not an native English. So this person said avoid them dozen and dozen of unpaid certification to qualify never working. They ask a lot without giving anything in return. Only waste your time. They close your account for no reason and no one replies. Not serious, not reliable. Frustrating experience. Do not rely on them. Okay, so people they don't like the company, as I said earlier on to you, people are being frustrated with this, the way that they operate the business. Okay, I'm not gonna read all of these this big one. Let's read this one. Their support service is a joke. No reply for weeks regarding project I qualified for. The chatbot they have is also a joke. It can't help you with the simplest problems or question. Guess it has received no love since implementation. Okay, so people, they don't like about this. But guys, if you want to get my #1 recommendation to make money from home without wasting your time on this scam website, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I will send you my #1 recommendation to make money from home. That course helped me to quit my 9-to-5 job. That course helped me to have financial freedom. Guys, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I will send you my #1 recommendation to make money from home. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'm gonna get back to you as soon as I can. Take care, and God bless you. Good luck. Sharp.